Welcome friends! Today we are making a delicious Chinese restaurant classic, spicy General Tso's chicken. For this recipe, you will need chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, egg, kosher salt, white pepper powder, Chinese cooking wine, and cornstarch. For the sauce, you will need chicken broth, hoisin sauce, seasoned rice vinegar, soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, sugar, dark soy sauce, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, small dry red chilies, seeds removed, cornstarch, and sliced green onions. Begin by combining the egg, kosher salt, white pepper powder, Chinese cooking wine, and mix together. Now add in the chicken. Now add in the cornstarch. In a large wok over high heat, add enough vegetable oil to cook the chicken. Cook the chicken in small batches. Cook the chicken until golden brown. Next, in a clean wok over high heat, add some canola oil and saute the chopped garlic, ginger, and dry red chilies. Add hoisin sauce, seasoned rice vinegar, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, sugar, mix the cornstarch with the chicken broth and add it in. When the sauce begins to boil, add the cooked chicken and sliced green onions. And here you have a delicious and spicy Chinese restaurant classic, General Tso's chicken. Delicious and spicy. My name is Mai. We hope you enjoy watching the video and get a chance to try the recipe. If you would like this delicious recipe, please visit our website. And please remember to subscribe.